So the big picture for this lesson is rates. Now a rate compares two quantities, something per something. Here's an example of what we can do to get a rate. The truck traveled 110 miles in 2 hours. Well, actually, that is a rate because it's miles per hour. And so what we can do is we can say it's 110 miles per 2 hours. And typically when you're talking about rates, you're most interested in a unit rate. So that's like per 1 hour, because typically when you're talking about a rate for travel, you don't say how many miles per how many hours, it's how many miles per 1 hour. So I'm going to simplify this. 110 divided by 2 is 55, so it's 55 miles per hour. That's a unit rate. Now unit rates can be expressed using a graph or using a table. I'm going to use a table to represent this one. So 0 hours is 0 miles. And in 1 hour, based on that rate, it would have been 55 miles. And then 2 hours, it would have been 110 miles. And if the pattern were to continue, in 3 hours, it would be 165 miles. And so my hours here are increasing by 1, and my miles are increasing by the unit rate, 55 miles per hour. Now if I didn't know what the rate was, I could use this table to figure it out. I could do 110 minus 55 per 2 minus 1, which is 55 divided by 1, or just 55 miles per hour. So there are also some graphs in this lesson, but it's the same idea in terms of the rate of change. You just subtract the values and then divide them. So that's the big picture for this lesson.